Tim Albright with AVNation at Enterprise Connect 2024 with Matt McGinnis from Five9.
Hello, everybody.
So Five9 is a CCaaS company,
Yes,
right?
that's right.
So we're going to take a second and talk about what CCaaS, what control center or call center as a service means, first and foremost.
That's right. So starting from that, CCaaS, contact center as a service, that means that we're born in the cloud, and that's something unique and special to Five9 is that our DNA was built in the cloud. We have done nothing but build the leading contact center space, contact center product in the space. And so the contact center really today is evolving from not just contact center, meaning voice calls or being able to engage digitally. So email, web, chat, SMS. So really a lot of different modalities and how you're going to have an interaction with your customer. And there's also an evolution of CCaaS to customer experience. And so you'll hear the acronym CX, customer experience. And we're kind of in
several places on this whole floor.
That's right. We're in this inflection point between how the market is really evolving. CX is this new big market, white space, that really is a larger addressable market. And it isn't just customer service oriented. It can be outbound sales or marketing oriented. Okay. It can be pre-purchase. So if somebody isn't even yet a customer, they're trying to find information or other to solve a problem. Okay. And so, this now is becoming a bigger and bigger space. And there are some fun things we can also talk about, like technology enablers like AI, that make this even more interesting.
Well, you guys had a press announcement this week about generative AI.
Yes, that's right.
I have seen 10,000 press releases about generative AI.
Yes,
right?
It is all the rage.
It is, right? And some snarkier folks than me this week was taking a drinking game about AI.
That's right.
Enterprise Connect, right?
It'll serve you up an amazing old fashioned.
Oh, yes. Yeah. But when it comes to CCaaS, help me bridge this gap, because I didn't, obviously I read the press release, but I still was having a hard time understanding how generative AI can impact a CCaaS customer.
Yeah, that's right. So AI really is a technology enabler within contact center. It's actually one of the most beneficial use cases, and it's in a couple of different areas. Okay. And so I'll talk about the launch that we had on Monday in a second, but you really have to look at it through the lens of how does it make the customer's experience better? And so when a customer is, partaking in a self-service engagement with the contact center, AI can actually make that more powerful, more important, and actually solve problems that much quicker in a very scalable fashion, right? The intelligent virtual agent. When you actually go back to the agent itself, so think of like that voice or digital agent that is a human, now what we can do is augment their capabilities, empower them with some extra special tools, things we call Agent Assist. And Agent Assist really gives them power to do a lot more and be that much more responsive. It might help provide guidance for what an agent should say or how it might know and triangulate data from the customer to better address or solve a problem. And then there's the other side, which is the management experience. And so somebody that's managing a contact center, somebody that is needing to understand what's happening, the heartbeat of what is occurring that day, week, or month. So insights. And so AI also looking at the data information that's occurring in all of these aggregate interactions to provide more intelligent ways to think about how do I manage, how do I improve, how do I optimize. And so those are really the three experience pieces. Now what we launched on Monday is a preview announcement for something we call Gen AI Studio. And this was an industry first where we've now taken all of our AI products, put that together into a beautiful user experience, a low-code, no-code user experience. And from that perspective, we can now do some pretty amazing things. One is choose your different LLMs, so how you're actually going to drive the generative AI model. And not all models are treated equally, and so some may fit your use case better than others. But the other is that there's a lot of what we call contextual data that is being created as part of an interaction with a contact center. And so that contextual data then becomes part of how you actually develop the prompting for having the generative AI engine actually spit out output that's very valuable. Okay. And for us, what we talked about on Monday is you can build, you can test, and you can monitor these all instantaneously in real time with a click of a button. And it really helps you to kind of put some guardrails, like what is generative AI capable of doing? How is it going to help to improve the contact center experience? And once you're happy, once it's been tested, publish, and it becomes live instantly within the contact center on the spot. So that's an industry first. There's a lot of people that have, this like dial of trust. How much do I want to trust the generative AI models? How do I want to set guardrails? And how do I create that experience that's just going to be amazing, obviously powered by Gen AI. So Gen AI Studio is an industry first. We're pretty excited about the product.
All right, very good. Somebody wants to find out more about Five9, how do they do that, Matt?
Yeah, well, you can visit five9.com. That's probably the best way to get in touch.
All right, Matt McGinnis from Five9 for us, for AVNation. Go by our website, avnation.tv. It's avnation.tv. Find more videos from the show floor of Enterprise Connect 2024. All that and more at avnation.tv. It's avnation.tv.